Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here to solve a question called Excel sheet column number. So let's read the question. You might think this is a pretty simple one. Let's read the question, let's understand. Given a string column title that represents the column title as it appears in the Excel sheet, return its corresponding column number. So if you haven't watched the previous video, converting a column number to a column title, please feel free to visit this video and come back to this guys because this is related to that particular one. Okay, so we need to understand that properly, how we convert a number into a title of a column. If you know this, then we are done with this. It's kind of pretty simple one. So coming back, as we discussed on that particular example, we did with the binary conversion. How you will convert a number into binary? 2 divide by 2 every time. 2 tens are. So you will do 2 5s are, and remainder is 0. And now let's you will do 2 twos are, and remainder is 1. Next you will do 2 ones are, remainder is 0. And here you will do 2 zeros are, remainder is 1. So this is your binary number where 1 0 1 0. Okay, this is our binary number where we will store it. Now 1010 is equals to 10. How we will convert? How we will convert this back to a decimal? So here what you will do, 0 into 2 power 0. Here it will be 2 power 1. Here it will be 2 power 2. Here it will be 2 power 3, right? I hope this is the correct one, right? 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 0, 0 plus 2 power 1 is 2. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 power 2, 4. 4 into 0, 4 into 0 is obviously 0. 0 plus 2 power 3 is 8. 8 into 1, 8. So adding all this will give you 10. So in this way, how we converted our number back, the same way we convert our Excel sheet alphabets like title into a number also. Let me take this example. So whenever they give you a number, let's say 90, will not take bigger numbers, 27. What we did was we divided it with, so whenever we got 27, we reduced its value to -1. So which means 26 divided by 26. 26 to 1s are 26. The remainder is 0. So converting 0 to alphabet. Why? Because it's a title at the end of the day. So it will become A, and this will become, sorry, this will also become not B, guys. So here 1 is greater than 0. Again, we will do. So first thing is we'll do 1 minus 0, which means this will become a 0. Now 26 again, 26 zeros are. 26 zeros are. This will be, remainder is 0. So 0's equivalent value is A. So this is how we converted by adding 0 plus a ASCII value of A. This is how we added, guys. So whatever the value we got here plus A's ASCII value. You can add either a single character A or you can also add a value 65. Why I'm adding 65? This is an ASCII value of our characters. So both are fine. The way we are doing here, the reverse of this we will do here. So whenever we got a title A, I will, so here what we will do, it will be 26 power 0. Here it is 26 power 1. But first thing is convert this A into a value. How we will convert? Here you can see the value is converted into A. The same way A minus A. The way we converted an integer value into a ASCII value there, the proper alphabet title, we will do the same. A minus A, it will be giving me, or what it will give? It will give me 0. So for 0, what we did? We need to add +1. Why we need to add +1? Here we did -1. Here we did -1. So we will add +1. Why we did -1 there? Why we did -1 there is because your Excel sheet titles are starting from 1. That's why we did +1. That's why we did -1. Sorry. That's why we did -1 there. Okay, because they are starting from 1, but our values are 0 based. Your number system is 0 based. So 1 and 0 doesn't match. So that's why we do -1. So there we did -1. Here we do 0 plus 1. So 26 power 0 is, value of this one is 1. 1 into value, actual value, 1. So this will give me 1 plus 26 power 1. 26 power 1 is 26 into, here same a minus 65. A minus 65, it will give me 0. 0 plus 1. Why we need to add plus 1? We have already discussed. So 0 plus 1, 1. So 26 into 1, 26. So 1 plus 26. So it will give me 27. It will give me 27, which is equivalent to the original one. I hope you understand this one. This is what we do. It's the same binary conversion to number. We do the same here too. So let's take integer call number equal to 0 initially. We don't have any number, right? So now we need to, let's take length of the column title. Column title dot length. After that, we need to start from the end. We need to start from the end, guys. So int I equal to n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. We are starting from the end. As you know, 26 power 0 and all. So first thing, calculate the power. How you will calculate the power? Or else, first thing, get the character. Character equals to column title dot char at ith place. So the last character you'll get. Convert character to value. How? So int value equals to c minus a, or you can also write c minus 65. Both are fine. Okay. After getting the value, what you need to do? You need to find out, like you need to add it into the column number. So column number equal to column number plus how we will add. So it is not a direct value. You need to multiply c with, sorry, not c, value with math dot power of 26 power 0. Initially, you need to power with 0. But what is the index value now? It is I, it is like 3. So what you need to do? It will be n minus I minus 1. N minus I minus 1. How we will get 0? Initially, let's take a. What is the length of the string? Length of the string is 2. I will start from 1. So you will get the character and you will know all this. Now 26 power 0 I need to do. So n value is 2. I value is 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So that's why we are doing -1. This will become 0. Like the same thing, -1. Why we are doing -1 is 0 based indexing. That's all the reason is. I hope you understand this one. Okay, like simple terms. Total length is, for example, 4. The last values index is 3. So when you are at last index, what should be the power? Power should be 0. 4, but 4 minus 3 is 1. So as you know, our index starts from 0. Okay, we are doing it with again -1, which will give me 0 as the value. This is very simple maths, guys, which we will learn in the beginning, like very basic questions. I hope you know all those things. And then return column number. That's all done. Let's run this. Okay. Oh, my bad. There is a column missing. Convert it back to int, guys. Everything. Now I think we need to put a parenthesis here too. Okay. This is what the problem with lead code sometimes. Anyways, let's try this again. If this doesn't work, try it out. Just check what happens. Oh, we have, okay. As I said, we need to add +1. we missed this plus one trick. Why we need to add plus one? Because it's zero based indexing. That's all, simple one. Yeah, that's all done. So this is how we solve this question, guys. I hope this is clear to everyone. If not, please pause this video for a second, take a deep breath, and take a pen and paper, write it down. How you convert your binary to integer, integer to binary. The same approach works here. Only changes for equivalent value, we need to get a as like title, like English alphabets. One is nothing but A. This is what you need to convert. And here you can observe it is starting from one, not from zero. So these two things, keep these two things in mind. That's all. We are done with this question. I hope you like this video. Thank you, guys.